In today's fast-moving world, many of us feel overwhelmed, stressed, and disconnected. We chase happiness like it's a distant prize, often thinking it depends on big achievements or material success. But what if the secret to lasting joy lies in small, everyday habits? Psychology shows that tiny changes in how we live each day can plant seeds for a happier future. Let's explore 7 simple behaviors you can adopt right now to build a life filled with peace, joy, and contentment. Practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment. Mindfulness means paying full attention to what's happening right now, without worrying about the past or future. When your mind drifts to yesterday's mistakes or tomorrow's worries, you miss the beauty of the present moment. By practicing mindfulness, whether through meditation, deep breathing, or simply observing your surroundings, you train your brain to focus on now. This helps reduce stress and increases feelings of calm and happiness. It's not easy at first, but with patience, mindfulness becomes a powerful tool for joy. Cultivate gratitude. Appreciate what you have. Gratitude is a simple but powerful habit. When you regularly notice and appreciate the good things in your life, your mindset shifts from scarcity to abundance. Keeping a gratitude journal, writing down a few things you're thankful for each day, can change how you see the world. Instead of focusing on what's missing, you start to value the small blessings around you. This shift fuels contentment and joy, making happiness more accessible every day. Embrace your imperfections, accept yourself fully. Perfectionism can be exhausting and harmful. Trying to be flawless all the time creates pressure and disappointment. Instead, accepting your flaws and mistakes frees you from this burden. Psychologist Carl Rogers said that true change happens when we accept ourselves as we are. Embracing imperfections allows you to be authentic and opens the door to growth. When you stop fighting yourself, happiness becomes easier to find. Foster positive relationships. Connect with others. Humans are social beings, and strong relationships are key to happiness. Studies show that meaningful connections with family, friends, and community bring more joy than money or possessions. Positive relationships provide support during tough times and amplify good moments. Make time to nurture your bonds. Call a friend, spend quality time with loved ones, or meet new people. These connections build a foundation of happiness that lasts. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. We often treat ourselves more harshly than we would a friend. When things go wrong, self-criticism only adds to stress and sadness. Self-compassion means treating yourself with kindness and understanding, especially during failures or setbacks. Recognize that everyone makes mistakes, and that imperfection is part of being human. This gentle attitude builds resilience and helps maintain emotional well-being, paving the way for lasting happiness. Learn to say no. Set healthy boundaries. Saying yes to everything can leave you drained and overwhelmed. It's important to protect your time and energy by learning to say no when needed. Setting boundaries isn't selfish, it's necessary for your mental health. Whether it's declining extra work or skipping social events that don't serve you, saying no helps you focus on what truly matters. This balance supports your happiness and prevents burnout. Keep learning, grow, and challenge yourself. Lifelong learning keeps life exciting and meaningful. Trying new things, gaining knowledge, and stepping outside your comfort zone stimulate your mind and boost confidence. Psychologist Abraham Maslow said we always have a choice: to grow or to stay safe. Choosing growth leads to fulfillment and joy. Whether it's reading, taking a class, or exploring a hobby, keep feeding your curiosity to build a happier future. Final thoughts. Small steps lead to big changes. The path to happiness isn't about quick fixes or grand gestures. It's about small, consistent habits that shape your mindset and daily experience. You don't have to adopt all these behaviors at once. Start with one, maybe mindfulness or gratitude, and build from there. Over time, these little changes create a ripple effect, making your life more joyful and peaceful. Remember, happiness is not just a destination, but a journey. By embracing these habits, you make the journey itself rewarding and meaningful. If you like these psychology facts, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.